Hello, viewers, followers, friends, etc. This is Francis Jeffrey coming to you again from South Bend, Indiana, moments after being stopped by the police for doing public photography and videography outside of the Alex Home Medical facility and beating my head. If you want further information, check out my previous video. I haven't uploaded any videos from today yet, so I don't know what it's going to be called when I'm done with it. Anyway, I'm here at the construction site now. Like I said, I was going to be in earlier videos later on today, and I decided to come back here and do some photography because I find it really interesting how there's a curved arrow in the street pointing to that building, which has leading lines all over the place, also known as eye flow or vanishing point. So once again, I'm gonna pull out my camera here, and there's not much difference between my 18 to 400 millimeter lens as well as my 18 to 270 millimeter lens, so I think I'm just not going to waste time and use this lens to take this photograph. There's also telephone wires which are helping to lead the viewer's eye throughout the scenery. So that is also interesting. And also there's two trees which are symmetrical because they appear to be the same kind of tree, and they are similar in shape. So if you're interested in trees, I suggest you check out my YouTube channel in more detail, because I have video footage on there that I took of a rare, mature American chestnut tree growing in the woods in East Haddam, Connecticut. Having a grave time focusing on this building. There you go. There's a typical South Bend, Indiana landscape for you. This photo goes to show you why South Bend, Indiana is one of the worst places to be stuck living in for landscape photography or cityscape photography. And furthermore, that is the end of the video. Bye-bye. I'll see you all in the next video.